What if I told you that one of the most talked about streets in Thailand comes alive in a completely different way after sunset? Welcome to Beach Road in Pattaya, a place where lights, energy, and human stories mix together in ways you don't always expect. In 2026, things feel different, more organized yet still unpredictable, more controlled yet still full of mystery. And if you walk down this road at night, you'll quickly realize this isn't just a street, it's an experience. As the sun goes down, the beach slowly fades into darkness, but the road beside it, that's where everything begins. Street lights glow, neon signs turn on, music starts echoing from nearby bars, and people, they start to appear. Tourists from all over the world, locals finishing their day, and then a different kind of presence, people you might not fully understand at first, confident, stylish, approaching with a smile. This is where many travelers have their first real encounter with what some call the freelance scene. Now, let's be clear, not everything you see here is what it seems, and not everyone is there for the same reason. But that's exactly what makes Beach Road so fascinating, because behind every smile, there's a story. Some are simple, some are complicated, and some you may never fully understand. As you walk further down the road, you'll notice patterns, small conversations starting, quick connections being made, people negotiating, sometimes subtly, sometimes directly. It happens fast, sometimes too fast, and for someone new, it can feel overwhelming. But here's something important. In 2026, things are not as loose as they used to be. Authorities have become more active. There's more monitoring, more control, more awareness around what's happening in public spaces, which means the environment feels slightly different now, less chaotic, more cautious, but still very much alive. Now let's talk about the people, because this is where most of the curiosity comes from. Many of the individuals you'll see here are confident, they know how to communicate, they understand tourists, and they know how to create a connection quickly. For some visitors, this feels exciting. For others, it raises questions. Is this real? Is this just part of the environment? Or is there something deeper going on? And the truth is, it can be all of those things at the same time. Some interactions are purely casual, moments that start and end on the same night. Others turn into longer connections, conversations that continue, meetings that repeat, and sometimes even relationships. But here's where awareness becomes important, because not every interaction comes from the same place. Some are genuine, some are situational, and some are driven by opportunity. And if you don't understand the difference, you can easily misread the situation. Now let's shift the focus, because Beach Road is not just about one type of experience. There's more to it, much more. You have street food vendors selling late-night snacks, fresh juices, grilled seafood, people sitting by the beach just relaxing, couples walking quietly, friends laughing, music playing in the distance. It's a mix of everything, and that's what makes it unique. It's not one story, it's many stories happening at the same time. But there's one thing you'll feel for sure: energy. A constant movement, a feeling that something is always happening, even if you don't fully see it. And maybe that's why people keep coming back, because every night feels different, every walk shows you something new, every moment adds another layer to the experience. So, if you ever find yourself walking along Beach Road in Pattaya, take your time, observe, don't rush, don't assume. Because what you see on the surface is only a small part of the full picture, and the more you understand that, the better your experience will be. Because in places like this, awareness is everything. Enjoy the moment, but stay grounded, because not everything that feels real is always what it seems. And now the question is, if you were walking down Beach Road tonight, would you just observe? Or would you step into the experience?